most attractive angle possible in YouTube history. O'Reilly. This is dirty. I do adult things. Crusty crap. Yeah. Thank you for tuning in and welcome back to the vlog. I almost forgot how dirty Poop Turd looks. So that's to be fist yesterday, you guys. It's always been a low-key goal of mine to show up with a muddy covered Subaru. So here we are. I didn't have time to get her clean. Today we're gonna do a top speed run. Some may say mud was thrown on her. Others may say we actually drove her. I'll let you guys decide. Okay, Poop Turd. But first, a little bit of a cold start for you. That was a fail. Yo, girl is muddy. Why don't we take this opportunity, you guys, to thank today's sponsor, Turo. Turo is a peer-to-peer car sharing marketplace where you book other people's cars. There are 850 different makes and models. I will even be using Turo to rent myself a reliable Subaru after what happens today. You guys will have to wait and see in the video. You can get a Corvette for $135 a day. You can get a Rolls Royce for $225 a day. I don't know anywhere where you could possibly get that. That is great. A Ford F-150, you guys can literally get something to tow with for $65 a day. You can't beat these prices. Price on average is 30% cheaper than traditional car rental companies. Turo is available in 5,500 different cities in US, UK, and Germany. And they offer delivery to airports. That is a big deal to me. You guys, I can't stand wasting my time in line to get a rental car. You can access on the web and in the App Store. Use the link in the description to sign up and use code Ecrew15 for $15 off your first trip. Blowing Subaru engines, you guys, by doing top speed runs in the middle of the desert is very expensive. So thank you companies like Turo for helping me afford this ridiculous content that you guys watch. So please, please, please support those who support us. All right. Thank you, Turo, for showing the family some love, and let's get back to the video. All right, you guys, I got a fun little surprise for you today. We got Mike the Chevy dude in the house. What's up, everyone? Welcome to California.
Thank you.
We got sunny skies and dirty cars.
It's like 30 degrees in Louisville.
Are you serious?
Yeah, it's cold.
Oh, it feels like a good 80 today. Well, we gotta get on the road, hop in. You may not be able to see out the window, but
let's go.
We got some fun stuff today. I'm sorry. Oh, God. All right, let's see what happens. Any more? 3, come on. Oh, I should have shifted. And I guess nothing happened. Alright, I can't roll down the Oh, God. Hey, what's up, man? Good to see you again.
How you doing? Oh my God.
I was waiting for you to notice that. Yeah,
mud puddle?
something like that.
Yeah.
The neighbor's sprinklers weren't working.
That makes sense.
So while we wait for Alex, you guys, I'm sure you have figured out by now that I am buying my C8 for Mike.
Yes, look,
and you're buying one too. Oh, you got the merch
I
on.
have your C8 merch on, yeah,
Oh, that's
absolutely.
awesome. But we'll give you an update on that a little bit later. I think I need to take off the roof racks. You know, I wouldn't want to cause any drag. Clean off the windows so at least I can roll those down. Usually I wouldn't care, but so many of you guys are giving me grief about having the windows down and drag. So I'm gonna try and remove the roof rack. These have been on the car for as long as I've owned her. I think it's been like 5-6 years now. I lost the keys, but I found them this morning. Let's see if these come off. I even hope these are the right keys. I don't know. Look at that. I even got a little Indianapolis key ring on here. All right, I got 3 shots, 3 chances, and an awesome jet tag. You guys, if you want to get the merch, go to shop.ameliaharford.com. Help support the channel. I actually got you a jet tag too. I'll give you in a second.
Sweet.
Come on, come on. Nope. 1 out of 3. I don't even know if these. Oh, that's it. I'm just getting a bunch of dirt inside my car. Whoa! Never thought these would come off. Come on.
Push it real good.
There we go. Here she looks without the roof rack. She kind of looks a little bit naked, you guys, but all right, so we've reduced some of the drag. I think what we need to do next is take off a couple lug nuts in order for weight reduction. Just kidding, oh my God. Knowing Alex and I, something's gonna go wrong anyways. Let's not make it worse. Oh God.
I told her, I said, just get an ice scraper. It's like, oh yeah, we're in LA. There's no ice scrapers in LA.
Yeah, and it's also, we don't have CD discs either anymore, so that's not an option.
So we use a Swifter thing.
Windows clean, I can finally see again. Good morning. Look who decided to join us.
I have a 10 millimeters.
Okay.
Grow legs and walk away from you, swear to God. And 12.
Okay.
You need them?
Well, just in case.
Don't blame me this time.
You're not driving this time, so I think we'll be safe. We're bringing tools in case something breaks again. So we're coming prepared today. You know why that is?
Why?
Because in case the Subaru breaks, we can tow it with your Tesla.
I do have a 2-inch. Oh, by the way, I hammered that thing in there. It's never coming out.
Sorry, U-Haul.
I'm gonna have to tie this onto like a pole and just drive. It'd
I'll
be like
there.
taking my tooth out. My parents used to like tie my tooth onto a door and slam the door.
Don't lie, that was still like last week. We are loaded up and ready to go. Oh, no, damn it. Yeah, buddy. All right, here's the story on the mud on the car. What really happened was, again, I wanted to bring the car to Subi Fest. I don't want to be covered in mud. I was out of town for a wedding, so I called the guys and I was like, hey, just drive my car, cover it in mud. Let's bring it to Subi Fest that way. And although it looks like mud was thrown on the car, I did get a video at 3 o'clock in the morning of them hitting some pretty big whoops with this. So if anything breaks out, I dare you. I fucking dare you. Okay, you guys ready for this? I'm gonna brake check Alex. Brake check. You ready for this? Oh my god, did I get that girl jumping?
In case you're wondering, this exhaust is 100% legal here in California. 100%
legal in the state of California. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but look how much the steering wheel vibrates from all the mud on the wheels. This is where the fire was. Look at that mountainside. Wow, you guys can see fire department here right now. This is where the fire was yesterday, put out yesterday. You guys can see the whole mountain range has been burned. California for you. It still smells like burnt fire. Maybe it's the Subaru, can't tell. Huge thank you to the Southern California Los Angeles Fire Department for not only putting out the fire in such a timely manner, but helping keep us all safe. It was extremely close to where I live and so many friends of mine. So a quick break for snacks and gas, especially in the Tesla. That thing just eats gas. Dad joke. This is the must-try salad.
It is a must-try salad.
That actually looks really good. And we are back on the road. Let's go, let's go, let's go. We're burning daylight here. So it took us 2.5 hours to get here at the dry lake bed today. Check out the floor. I've never zoomed in closely so you guys can see what we're working with. It's kind of like I guess a clay dirt material. And the tires are rated apparently to 118 miles per hour. So we're gonna see how fast we can go. You said though that is for like about 30 minutes.
That's what I'm told, yeah.
So what he's been told, we're gonna find out. You guys, I'm not a professional. I do not recommend doing this at home and I shouldn't have to tell you that, but I legitimately am a little bit scared because Poop Turd likes to break down. The last thing I wanna do, not gonna jinx it. All right, top speed, let's go. We saw you go over there. I was like, oh my God, he's gonna hit the dips.
We did.
We hit it so fast trying to go by.
How fast?
I was probably doing 60.
157.
You were doing one. Did it break anything?
No.
I thought I popped a tire when we went over it.
Too. I got out of the car.
Oh no.
Oh, you did lose something. Okay, once your crop dust clears, we'll go. Dead ass though, I've never legitimately been scared of something and I'm a little nervous to hit a top speed run in this car.
Aw, that's cute.
So if we roll or anything happens, I'm not liable. Please don't come after me in a court of law. There's no insurance out here. So something did break. Your Starbucks glass shattered in the car.
Oh, I knew I heard glass.
How full
Man.
is this thing? Am I driving?
No?
Get out of the way.
Okay, you can drive after me if you really want to do this.
No, I'm driving before you.
No, I don't, not in my own car. If something's gonna break, I should be reliable. There's a bunch of stuff I should probably get out. I got an exhaust in the back. There's my down pipe. Here's my turbo. Welcome back to another segment of Up Close and Personal with Amelia and Alex. Windows are up because, you know, we don't want to create too much drag. I'm legitimately nervous for this. Okay, you ready?
Yes. Oh, scheiße.
There's a dip up here I gotta find first. That's a big rock. Here's the dip. Okay. Okay, we're at 100. 110. 120. Oh my God. And we're topped out at 140. Oh my God. Wait, that was 145, 140, I don't know. That was scary. That is so much scarier than your Tesla. So it tops out exactly where it says it tops out on the gauge here.
My turn.
I feel faint. Do you really want to do this?
Yes.
You really want to do this?
Yes.
Okay, I'm not just making this up, you guys. I legitimately went quiet. Once we hit like a $120, Alex and I were both just silent. That was petrifying. Once it hit 140, like the gauge goes to, that's the max that the Subaru went to. My heart's racing. Send it anyways.
All right.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Are you okay?
I'm okay. I'm just worried about your car.
Put it in gear. Is it fine?
Well, I'm in neutral right now. It's just
Put it in fifth. You just misshifted. It's okay.
it revved like 8.5.
That's fine.
I don't want to go right now because
Okay.
I might run out of space. Whoops. I probably should have put it in fourth.
You just did that again.
No, that was.
Oh, so that misshift was on purpose.
It wasn't a mission. I was downshifting. I selected third.
Oh my God. He wanted to go put it in fifth and put it in third. 140 is the max it went. I think it's on a governor or a limiter of some sort. Because I definitely had more RPM band, but right where it stops on the gauge is exactly where it stopped driving. Alex, should we address the fact why you're not driving the car anymore?
Scared.
I told him he could if he wanted to, but I think misshifting freaked him out a little bit. But it's all right. The car revs to 8.5, so it's not like it even hit red line when it happened. It's just a scary thing. The car is so scary going so fast. So not blaming Alex, you guys. The valve train is slapping extremely loud. I think maybe the misshift or just going fast overall affected or maybe have hurt the engine a little bit. This doesn't sound very good, Alex. You guys can hear this. I really hope I didn't just ruin this engine. I really hope we're not about to go on engine number 5 here. Whoa! I have a feeling it might be motor mounts. I don't know if you guys can see how violently this is shaking left and right. I wonder if the slapping noise is actually coming from the fact that it looks like the motor mounts are entirely shot. Still sounds like something internal though. Alex, we have officially broken each other's cars so many times.
Is my fault?
I can't even use this as a thumbnail title anymore. That's the alternator.
Thanks. No.
So as you guys know, I was doing a top speed run in the Subaru today. Are you guys at the shop? Can I drop off the car at you and I'll come back either tomorrow or the day after to try and fix it?
What happened?
It sounds like the valve train is slapping very loud and 100% the motor mounts are bad, but I don't know if the two are correlated.
Oh, okay.
You think I could have blown the engine?
Yeah, maybe.
Oh my God. So be it a misfire, bad motor mounts, or the valve train just slapping very loud. Either way, the guys at the shop are a little concerned that I may have just let go of engine number 4.
What do you want? Do I need to start a GoFundMe page for you? I feel bad.
Don't worry about it. It's a Subaru thing. It's all right, man. I know when you drive my car, there is always going to be something that happens. Whoa! All right, so we're gonna go check out those major ruts in the ground to show you guys just how steep they are, and then we're gonna get out of here and head to that gas station. So this is what you and I both hit.
Except I hit it at a
You hit at 157, I hit it at 60. This is deep. Oh, this is so deep. It's literally to your ankle. Holy sh**. This is a trench.
You hit this at like 157.
If we would have hit that at 157 in the Subaru, we'd be dead right now. Here's for all the marbles. It sounds like Rod knock. I'm gonna call AAA.
I need a car wash.
So the guy here at the Chevron is being super nice. I'm leaving Poop Turd. I gave him the keys. We're about to be on engine number 5. We're leaving her here. We're gonna go grab something to eat and then meet the tow truck driver over at DJ's Auto. Bye bye, Poop Turd. There she is. AAA has arrived. They beat us. They already unloaded Poop Turd. There she is. Rest in peace, my friend. Tow truck driver was super nice. Thank you. And he also watched the Netflix show, so. So I haven't told you guys this yet. I have told you my plan with the Subaru was to sell for my down payment for the C8. But now, since she doesn't run, she ain't worth
I ain't taking it on trade, I'll tell you that.
Oh, come on, man. You didn't see anything. Runs great. But an update on the C8, just so people know where we're at with that. It is coming. There's been a strike at GM, which may be delaying things.
Yeah, I've gotten a little bit more word that I haven't even told you about yet today, because I just learned it as I was been here. Middle of January now, before production. So
seriously?
So that's 45 days past what they're originally going to do on December 2nd.
Yeah, because before they were all going to be made in December, and now I guess they're getting pushed to
so
January.
Late. Depressing. I want my car, you want your car. Other YouTubers that I have sold cars to that haven't been named want their cars. Yeah, we all want our cars.
Really looking forward to the C8, but the update is that it's going to be delayed probably, I guess, another month and a half. But aside from that, it's sick, it's white, it's got red
being
interior.
in LA, it's nice. For me, it's not that big of a deal because it's wintertime for me in Kentucky. So.
But I'm still coming to get it, so
Yes,
my cross-country road trip, that may suck. We'll figure it out. I'll go the southern route, I guess. But here she is, Poop Turd in all her poopy turdy glory. Well, all right, this is it, ladies and gentlemen. I still plan on selling the car in order to use it for the down payment for the C8, but I'm gonna have to get her fixed, so she's actually worth a penny or two. Goodbye, Subaru.
Goodbye, old friend.
Goodbye, old friend. Goodbye, Moon. Real quick, you guys, I think a rod got bent because I think it may have revved a little too high, but it's okay. I'm kind of excited to tear this one apart too, and we'll see what's going on. Full stop, we are back where we started. I hope today was at least a fun and kind of eventful
This was
day.
awesome today. I love this. I don't do this stuff in Kentucky.
Well, we are gonna do some fun stuff when the C8, whenever it does come in, we'll do some fun stuff over there when I come to pick it up. Jet Tag, this is for
Yes.
you. This is some of the merch.
I love it.
And that is with love. That is my way of bringing awareness to mental health issues such as suicide and domestic abuse. As you guys know, I will be doing more with Io Clemente in the near future. If you want to support the channel, do not go to shop.hartford.com. Do not get any merch. It definitely doesn't help in any way, shape, or form. You guys, thank you so much for watching. I love you. Rip Poop Turd. Comment below if I should do another EJ, assuming that's what's wrong, what you think is wrong, or if you think I should do a 2J or an LS, which I'm sure you wouldn't
I like
mind
the LS
saying.
idea. Yes,
I kind of do too at this point. Thank you guys for watching Ecrew. We out here with love. Bye. like my clean brush teeth, Alex?